Hello and welcome to the Geeks of Mucklebee. That was really good. Well done, Ian. Okay. Welcome to the Geeks of Mucklebee. We are very fortunate that we are here again with our second unboxing. So we've got a couple of the guys live in Discord at the moment, and we are going to open this box just shortly. We know what's in it, so let's just be honest, we know what's in it. And this has been provided by our wonderful supporter of our channel and friend Ternonicus. So thank you very, very much. He's in the chat now. Ternonicus, thank you.
Thank you, Ternonicus.
So what we'll do is get this open.
Yeah.
So, but I'm going to pause it because we need to talk to the guys first. So I'm going to do some clever editing. Here we go. Let's pause that. Okay, right. So without further ado, do you want to open it?
Sure, yes. Oh no. How did she get the honours?
Don't go too deep, just in case. Steady.
Rose.
Steady.
Don't break it.
Steady.
Don't break it.
Steady.
Don't break it.
Well done, that was one incision. One incision, we've got the sides. That's it, work away from you. Absolutely. Yes. Go on. Rrr. Awesome.
Now the other side.
Now's the other side. Brilliant. Like a pro, Rose.
I know.
Like a pro.
I'm not gonna keep that on me.
So, look at that, Oliver. Cardboard.
I know what's inside the cardboard. Whoa, that is good handwriting.
Greetings,
Yeah.
Mucklebees. I wish you guys great fun with these two helmets, but remember, one of the helmets is for the competition we planned. Have great fun with it and keep safe. Yours sincerely, Ternonicus.
Thank you, Ternonicus.
I won't say your first name, but we will later. So thank you very, very much.
Oh, I wish
There
I
we
was
go.
allowed in Sainsbury's.
Oh. So one minute, before we get into this, we've got two helmets here, and you're going to see what this is. And we're giving one of them away because of our tremendous supporter, and it's for this competition. So we're going to marvel at these in a minute. I want you to remember at home, we're not restricting this. So there are going to be a few preconditions, but one of these is for one lucky winner.
Could be you.
It could. Right. Are you? Oh my gosh.
I'll take out the other one.
Oh.
Whoa! It's
Look
life size.
at that. What did you think it was going to be?
Whoa!
Oh, I'm nervous about.
So one is with weathering, the other one without.
Okay, so one is with weathering and one is without. Look at that. This is the way. Look at that.
That's so cool.
And just so you guys know,
Someone could win that.
somebody could win this. Somebody at home can win this.
Oh! Oh! That's so cool. I thought
This-
this was Mandalorian.
So,
I mean, it should be like father, like son, you know? So I should wear the other one.
that is just ridiculously awesome.
Oh, and it's nice padding as well.
Yeah, yes it is. It's very comfortable, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's so cool.
That is the best looking thing, sorry, the third best looking thing I have seen today. Damn, sixth best thing I've seen today. Look at that. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, look. It's even got the detailing
That's so cool.
on the back. Look at that.
Oh.
So,
I hope.
No. You said your favourite.
No,
I,
I bagged it first.
he bags it first, and you said I'm your favourite.
That's
I'm-
not true. You did not.
The day Ternonicus said, I said, I bagged you wearing it first. I've got it on Discord as proof.
I've always said you are my favourite daughter, and he is my favourite son.
But I came first.
Can't do that.
I can.
Look, I think there's only one way to settle this, and it is a death
Rock, paper,
match.
scissors.
And whoever wins gets to wear the helmet, and I will love them most.
I said rock, paper,
The other
scissors.
one-
You said deathmatch.
Where's the knife?
So 1 minute. Let's just put it there. Let's check the other helmet. Let's check the other helmet. So,
Careful.
people are. I'm being careful. I am being careful. I promise.
Extra careful.
Extra careful. Almost as careful as when I was holding you guys for the first time. That happened then as well. No, I'm joking. So this
That
one.
one is fine.
Oh.
Are these cosplay grade?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa!
It's
Look
like-
at web. Oh my.
It's like a
gosh.
delicate one. Which one do you
This is
prefer?
the weathering one, yeah.
Wow.
Which one are we keeping?
Well, I don't know. I don't think we get to choose. Do we get to choose? Go on, 1 minute. You take that one.
Oh. I'm a Mandalorian. I can like hear my voice a lot. It's so cool. It's like fire.
so cool.
I've never been so happy in my life. I've got 2 Mandalorians for children.
Yeah.
This is the way. This is awesome. You okay?
This is awesome.
What did you say?
I
You
can
went,
cry.
this is awesome. I could cry. Oh gosh, it looks.
The way.
This
You're
is
taking it off. Hey, I'm
Oh,
just
they do
saying,
look good.
I can't show my face again to another living person.
You can't show your face again to another living person.
No.
Okay, so one of these is for the competition, I promise you. So as you can see, they are absolutely fabulous, and I do not know why nobody who would want to own one of these. It's amazing. It feels so good.
It's so comfy.
It feels so good.
So comfy.
Oh gosh, my tap just. So, guys, keep watching. I'm going to give you the details on how one of these
It looks so cool.
could be yours.
It's like
Okay,
sunglasses.
stay tuned.